Hello, and welcome to Unlock 3rd edition. For this teaching tip, we're going to think about how we can tweak our usage of reading texts by using a technique known as jigsaw reading. This technique not only allows for more learner interaction, but also allows learners to develop their critical thinking skills by encouraging them to summarize their sections and synthesize their understanding of the text as a whole by collaborating with their peers, thus activating their higher level thinking skills. Implementing this technique is quite straightforward. You can divide a text into sections. For example, the text on page 41 of Unlock Reading and Writing Level 3. This text has already been divided into numbered paragraphs, so you could easily assign each paragraph to a different group of learners. This works best if you ask the learners to cover up the parts of the text which have not been assigned to them. You then give each group a set of comprehension questions relating to the whole text and allow them to read individually. Because each student has only a part of the text, they will not be able to answer all of the questions based on what they have read. Once the learners have finished reading, they can check their answers and their understanding of the texts with their peers in the same group. After this, put the learners into new groups containing one learner from each original group. They can then share their answers and tell each other what they learnt from their texts. By the end of this, all of the learners should have the answers to all of the questions. This technique works well with mixed ability classes, as you can give the longer or more challenging sections of the text to the stronger readers, and the shorter or less challenging sections to the weaker readers. By allowing the learners to work on different sections of a text according to ability, you ensure that all learners have something to contribute later in the activity.